In this video, I'll show you how you can hide your game activity on your Steam profile. Now, first up, guys, is we're going to open up our Steam. From in here, you're going to click on your name up here and go to the profile. Now, once you're on the profile, what you need to do is you can see a recent activity right here, all of this. And if you want to remove this, what you need to do is you need to go edit profile, just like this. And from in here under the privacy settings, you're gonna click on this and you can see my profile. Now what you can do is you can go to friends only, and it can only be your Steam friends who can see it, or you can go private, which means that no one can see it. So you can just select any of these options and that will basically hide the recent game activity. That's how you can do it on Steam, guys. It's super simple. There's not really much more to it. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.